Are you occupied with starting a weight reduction program? Before you place a weight goal, it's important to understand the advantages of reducing weight. Figuring out the large range of weight loss advantages may just help to preserve you stimulated during the challenging moments of your weight loss plan and recreation application. And each weight loss journey hits the skids at some factor. To be able to set yourself up for success, don't forget the entire extraordinary methods that shedding pounds may improve your social existence, your clinical and psychological well-being. Make a record of the burden loss advantages that mean the most for your life and keep it to your weight reduction journal. Then discuss with the record on the days while you feel like quitting. Well-being benefits. You don't must lose hundreds and hundreds of kilos to enjoy the clinical benefits of weight loss. In case you are currently obese or chubby, you'll be equipped to lose only a small amount of weight to toughen your total health. In fact, some experiences exhibit that just a 5 to 10% decrease in your weight can change your well-being. Well-being advantages of losing a few pounds: lowered risk of diabetes, decreased blood pressure, extended LD, cholesterol phases, decreased risk of heart ailment, reduced chance of precise cancers, multiplied mobility, decreased joint discomfort, extended blood sugar phases, reduced chance of stroke, lowered back soreness, lowered risk or growth in signs of osteoarthritis, diminished hazard or improvement in symptoms of sleep apnea. Your physician can provide more personalized expertise about the health advantages that you could assume to look whilst you shed some pounds. For instance, you'll be equipped to lessen or get rid of particular medicinal drugs or scale back your threat of sickness. Your doctor can be ready to furnish a suggestion or referral to a registered dietitian or bodily therapist to help you construct healthful weight reduction software. Way of life advantages. Furthermore to the scientific advantages of weight loss, you can even experience an elevated culture in case you slim down. Many triumphant losers record growth in these areas: extra active social life, larger self-belief, better sleep, extended power, elevated sex existence, reduced stress, multiplied physique picture, improved vitality, extended temper. Social benefits. The medical and lifestyle advantages of shedding pounds are also adequate to motivate you to stick to a food plan and endeavor software. But some dieters additionally shed weight to reinforce the grade of a relationship. For example, you would need to drop extra pounds to save your marriage. That is an area where the advantages of losing a few pounds get complex. While some individuals have higher relationships after weight reduction, shedding pounds to make anybody else pleased shouldn't be constantly a clever suggestion. There could also be other relationship issues that weight loss won't clear up. And when you diet to make any person else comfortable, you might lose weight in the starting, however the weight as a rule comes back. How one can revel in the advantages of weight reduction in the event you decide that there are giant causes so that you can shed some pounds, then there is no time just like the reward to start your weight loss ride. Your first step must be to set a cheap goal. Then make small changes to your everyday events and consuming habits. Ask for weight loss help out of your medical professional and from acquaintances and household to make the method easier.